your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.
Hello, come in. Truck, and more truck. We got a tune-up report for Santhiny in Puerto Rico on this Truckerized RCI-69VHP. Got your final upgrades. Went to the RT6s, much more durable. Voltage regulator, wideband transmit receive. We got your wiring kit right here. This thing really picks it up quite a bit. So let's just get right to it. I'm going to start with the RF power all the way down. 50 watt slug. Get you to 1.5 watts all the way down. Let's roll it all the way up. Right almost 20 all the way up. I'll show you average power swing. Low. So that 50 watt slug pegs. So let's pull that out. Do the 100 watt slug over here in the average side. 250 in the peak. So here we go, 100 watt slug average. Low. So 52 watts bird. 250 watt slug in peak. Hello. 110 PEP. Alright, Santhony, we're going to get this out to you. I really appreciate it. And hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. You got wise and got truckerized. Boom, boom.